Go.
Good afternoon. My name is Gary Stevenson. I'm the president and one of the principals of Proven Engineering and Technologies. And this short film is being made to introduce you to a typical barge arrangement for a cement carrier with a self-loading and self-discharging capability. So we are going to be talking about this arrangement here, which shows 4 compartmentalized fluidized floors arranged on the barge with a central vacuum discharge arrangement. Now this vacuum discharge arrangement can be deck mounted or it can be mounted into the hull of the barge depending on particular design of a given barge or ABS requirements. In any case, this system here is designed to discharge at 250 tons per hour. You have 2 vacuum reloader tanks with 2,000 cubic foot capacity each. The loading cycle on this particular barge is set at 2 minutes for loading and 2 minutes for discharging. These vacuum reloader tanks act very much like a large reciprocating pump. As one vacuum reloader tank is discharging, the other tank is under a vacuum pulling the material from the fluidized floor through interconnecting piping, loading up to its high point, and charging with pressure, preparing itself for discharge. As this tank empties, it will automatically shift to the standby tank and start to discharge material. If you're loading this system, you use the same central vacuum reloader system and you mount an articulating arm crane somewhere on the deck. That's convenient so that you can swing the arc of the crane over the side of the barge and dip the articulating arm down into the supply barge that's coming alongside. So in essence, what you're doing with the vacuum reloader is 2 jobs. One is to pull raw material on board from support barges, stored in the fluidized floors to capacity, and then move this barge to your discharge point and then reverse the process with the reloaders, pulling the material out of the fluidized floors and pumping it off the barge. This system capacity is based on reloader tank size and also the size of the suction and discharge piping off of the barge. Vacuum pumps are used for a vacuum and a compressor for discharge, or a large capacity low pressure blower is used for discharging depending on the pipe diameter and the distance at which you're going to discharge this cement off this barge onshore.